I've got 5 minutes. 5 minutes to show you how your students can present a reflective ePortfolio in Canvas. In his 2004 book, The Learning Portfolio, Reflective Practice for Improving Student Learning, John Zubizarreta wrote, "The learning portfolio is a rich, convincing, and adaptable method of recording intellectual growth and involving students in a critically reflective process." If you believe in reflective learning and showing intellectual growth, Canvas has a tool for that. The ePortfolio is not found within a course, but rather under Account in the global navigation menu. The ePortfolio can be found here because it will permit the student to add any item from any Canvas course they have access to. Now, I can't cover how to use the ePortfolio in 5 minutes, but we can take a look at it. So when entering the ePortfolio for the first time, you will see nothing. You need to actually create a portfolio, and just like everything else in Canvas, click the box with the plus ePortfolio. The portfolio is highly flexible. The student can add as many or as few items as they wish. They can place them in any order, but they have to create a section for each item they wish to add. So you might be asking, what kind of items can a student add to their portfolio? Students can add any kind of text through a rich text editor. This is the same editor they've been using throughout their Canvas courses. They can format the text, insert links, use tables, or show equations. What you cannot do in the text editor is upload a photo. However, you can upload a photo by itself. You can use a photo already in Canvas or upload the file. Photos are not the only items that can be uploaded. The student may also upload a file such as a PowerPoint, Word, Excel, or a PDF. The student is able to embed a file from their Google Drive or from places like YouTube. Wherever you can get an embed code, you can place it in the portfolio. Most importantly, a student can add assignment work from previous courses. When this option is selected, a list of possible assignments will appear. All they have to do is select one. One of the key elements of any learning portfolio is reflective writing. Randall Kohler and David Sabatini from the University of Oklahoma write, "Reflective writing affords students the opportunity to look back on their work and summarize their progress towards learning goals." The Canvas's ePortfolio provides the ideal location for students to display their reflective writing. They can reference any assignment or activity and make it available for anyone to comment, thus having the ability of gaining formative feedback from you or anyone viewing their portfolio. Writing the requirements for their learning portfolio, try using best practices and the reflective nature of the task. This will help your students see how much they've learned. In many cases, the reflective writing is all at the beginning of the portfolio, with the submissions, documents, images, and anything else listed as an appendix. The Canvas portfolio can do that. And when the portfolio is complete, the students can share it with you or their peers with a simple link that can be copied and pasted into an email or an inbox message. One of the best aspects of a Canvas portfolio is that the student can download it as a zip file. That is, they can take the portfolio with them. The files will be saved as individual images, documents, or an HTML file that will open on any web browser. They don't need Canvas to open and share their portfolio. If you want more information about how to actually create and use a Canvas ePortfolio, please reach out to the TLC for a private consultation. I'm Jay Rosema, and this is Canvas in 5.